Okay, so once the label maker comes on, it displays the IP address that it's connected to on the Wi-Fi, waiting for you to connect. And then once you connect to it, it switches to waiting for image. It also displays the status on the bottom of the web page. And then you can just draw whatever you want. Like for example, you can do like circles. There's also a undo. You can also do lines. Free draw. And then when you're ready, then you just push the print button and the printer will start printing. Once it's done printing, you'll see the status on the screen and on the web page show the same. And the print button was disabled. As soon as it's done printing, the status on both of them will change and the print button will be re-enabled. So you can, at that point, you could reprint if you want to, or you could clear the screen and start over with something new. And there we go, all done.